Patient. The patient is in the waiting room. The patient is in the waiting room. Doctor. The doctor will see you shortly. The doctor will see you shortly. Nurse. The nurse took my temperature. The nurse took my temperature. Appointment. I have an appointment at 3 p.m. I have an appointment at 3 p.m. Prescription. The doctor wrote a prescription for my medicine. The doctor wrote a prescription for my medicine. Diagnosis. The diagnosis was a common cold. The diagnosis was a common cold. Treatment. The treatment involves daily medication. The treatment involves daily medication. Symptoms. The symptoms include a headache and fever. The symptoms include a headache and fever. Allergy. She has an allergy to penicillin. She has an allergy to penicillin. Surgery. He needs surgery to repair his knee. He needs surgery to repair his knee. Vaccine. The vaccine helps prevent the flu. The vaccine helps prevent the flu. Blood pressure. The nurse checked my blood pressure. The nurse checked my blood pressure. X-ray. The doctor ordered an X-ray for my arm. The doctor ordered an X-ray for my arm. Recovery. Her recovery was quick after the operation. Her recovery was quick after the operation. Emergency. Call for help in case of an emergency. Call for help in case of an emergency. Clinic. I visit the clinic for regular checkups. I visit the clinic for regular checkups. Laboratory. The laboratory tests confirmed the diagnosis. The laboratory tests confirmed the diagnosis. Infection. He was treated for a skin infection. He was treated for a skin infection. Consultation. The consultation lasted about an hour. The consultation lasted about an hour. Syringe. The nurse filled the syringe with the vaccine. The nurse filled the syringe with the vaccine. Stethoscope. The doctor used a stethoscope to listen to my heart. The doctor used a stethoscope to listen to my heart. Thermometer. She checked my temperature with a digital thermometer. She checked my temperature with a digital thermometer. Scalpel. The surgeon used a scalpel for the incision. The surgeon used a scalpel for the incision. Bandage. I put a bandage on my cut. I put a bandage on my cut. Forceps. The doctor used forceps to hold the tissue during the procedure. The doctor used forceps to hold the tissue during the procedure. Otoscope. The doctor examined my ears with an otoscope. The doctor examined my ears with an otoscope. Blood pressure cuff. The nurse inflated the blood pressure cuff on my arm. The nurse inflated the blood pressure cuff on my arm. Gauze. They placed gauze over the surgical site to absorb any bleeding. They placed gauze over the surgical site to absorb any bleeding. Nebulizer. The nebulizer helps deliver medication for asthma. The nebulizer helps deliver medication for asthma. Electrocardiogram. The ECG monitored my heart's electrical activity. The ECG monitored my heart's electrical activity. Sphygmomanometer. The sphygmomanometer measures blood pressure. The sphygmomanometer measures blood pressure. MRI machine. The MRI machine provides detailed images of soft tissues. The MRI machine provides detailed images of soft tissues. Ultrasound. An ultrasound uses sound waves to create images of internal organs. An ultrasound uses sound waves to create images of internal organs. Crutches. He used crutches to help him walk after the injury. He used crutches to help him walk after the injury. Wheelchair. The patient was moved in a wheelchair for convenience. The patient was moved in a wheelchair for convenience. Defibrillator. A defibrillator is used to restore a normal heartbeat. A defibrillator is used to restore a normal heartbeat. CPR mask. The CPR mask provides a seal for rescue breathing. The CPR mask provides a seal for rescue breathing. First aid kit. The first aid kit contains supplies for minor injuries. The first aid kit contains supplies for minor injuries. Diagnostic kit. The diagnostic kit tests for various diseases. The diagnostic kit tests for various diseases.